Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can change your name on the CoinTails game. So let's get started right away. Now, once you install the CoinTails game on your device, you can open it up. And before you can sign into your account, you will have to go through the basic tutorial levels. And once you complete these basic tutorial levels, you will be allowed to set up a name for your account. Now, this is the option where you need to be careful and choose your name very wisely, because you will not be able to change your name in the future. Now, as you can see in this case, when I tap on the account icon at the top left corner, the username that I have set cannot be changed anymore. If you wish to do so, you can link your Facebook account or your Google account by clicking on the link account button. But if these accounts have the same name, then you will still not be able to change your username. And there you go. That is the only place that you can select and enter your name. So make sure you choose your username on the game very wisely. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.